This gathering today, in this momentous occasion, we show our solidarity with the Yachik people who are in Garo Hills, who are standing against illegal immigrants and who are still fighting. We want to tell you that the Hinyotra people are with you in this fight, and we will be with you till you make sure that each and every illegal immigrant is being chased from Garo Hills. Mr. Conrad Sangma, here also this voice of the Hinyotra people, that the Khasi Jantia and the Garos will not allow you to sell Garo Hills to the illegal immigrants. We will not allow Conrad Sangma or his party to sell the land of the Yachik people to the Miyas. Today we are here as a symbolic gesture, but if you need us to be in Chibinang or to be in Garo Hills, the Hinyotra people will take up sword, will take up the materials that is needed and will stand together shoulder to shoulder with the Yachik people. Mr. Conrad Sangma, don't forget, you are a chief minister because the Yachik people have supported you. And if they want, they will also make you come down off that chief ministership in the year 2028. You have 3 years to make sure that the rights of the Yachik people are protected. You have 3 years to make sure that the land of the Yachik people are protected. And you have 3 years to make sure that the culture of the Yachik people are protected. And you have 3 years, Mr. Conrad Sangma, to ensure that this Bengal who are staying in Garo Hills should be detected and deported to their place of origin. I saw one video that Bengal is asking the police officer, Sir, kya hum Bangladeshi hai? The police officer cannot give an answer, but we can. हाँ भाई, तू बांग्लादेशी है, so Bangladesh में जाओ. Yes, you are a Bangladeshi, so go back to Bangladesh. The Garo Hills belongs to the Yachik people. It is theirs today, it will be theirs tomorrow, and it will be theirs forever. No Bengal can claim that the Yachik land or the Garo Hills belongs to them. Mr. Sofior Rehman, I've seen your text, I've seen your message claiming that Pulbari, Rajabala, Chibinang belongs to the Bengal. If you dare, come out of hiding. We will show you who is the owner of the Yachik land. You cannot hide forever. The Yachik people will find you. And if you dare to come to Shillong, the Hinyotra people also will find you. We have seen your statement, intimidating the indigenous people of Meghalaya. Just remember that the Yachik and the Hinyotra are the owners of Meghalaya, not some Bangladeshi, not some Pakistani. You go and shout Allahu Akbar to Bangladesh, we have no problem. But don't come and shout Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya. This is not your land. No Allahu Akbar in Meghalaya, brother. This is our land. And if you want to fight, come out of hiding and fight us in light, not hiding, not at night. Come out and fight.